let's have a look at some of the conditions or prerequisites which we can use for formal instruction, or how we can benefit from formal instruction when we are teaching reading. Okay. And especially when we are teaching, just bear in mind we've got the main topic about how to recognize words and spellings, or train our students into spellings. Okay. There are various components of effective teaching reading instruction. One of them is the phonemic awareness. Phonemic awareness deals with the knowledge that spoken words, knowledge about the spoken words are built up of, or made up of sounds that can be separated. So this is this knowledge about or this awareness about phonemes is very important, and in this regard we can make the use of direct instruction, or we can directly train our students how to recognize or spell words, or how to pronounce them right, and how to match the sounds to the symbols. That's important. Direct teaching or formal teaching has got its benefits. Eventually it can help develop the fluency of students in terms of recognizing words, in terms of because their fluency depends much more about their phonic knowledge. I mean, the phonological knowledge of the words. So when they are going to decode the word or get meaning of the word, for example, cat, so they are going to pronounce it and separate its sounds. So they are not only involved in decoding its meaning, but also when they are reading the word cat, they are involved in naming it and meaning it. Okay, so the formal instruction in as is one of the prerequisites of language teaching is to apply their decoding skills to fluent and automatic reading, right? So it has its significance. It will eventually help develop a fluency at adequate level, and it will not only make them fluent reader, but also make them read for meaningful purposes. So the formal instruction of reading, for example, in training them how to recognize words, can enhance their vocabulary or knowledge, and eventually can lead them to or build up their knowledge of the texts, and can help them become more critical readers. So there are various prerequisites for reading instruction, for formal reading instruction, and for formal, we can benefit from this formal reading instruction in terms of bringing phonemic awareness amongst our students, and in terms of recognizing and spelling words.